These plant cushions are roof insulation to keep you cool in summer, warm in winter, and happy when you see your energy bill and carbon emissions saved. The more plant cushions you have, the more you save. You can grow strawberries or mint for tea and boost your meal with fresh basil. Because of the simple materials, they cost little over €10 per cushion to make in Malta. Plus it's easy. First, a safety announcement. If you can walk on your roof, it can take the weight of plant cushions. Now let's start. Cut shading into 1 by 1 meter. Next, put weed mat, also cut 1 by 1 meter. Add mineral or rock wool, 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter. Add a thick layer of bark as plant food. And a thick layer of compost. Fold the 4 corners together, hold with large clothespins. Do the same with the layer of shading. To tie the corners together, pierce a hole with scissors, and slide a tie wrap through the hole. And tighten. That's 1 corner done, 3 to go. I grow fat plants, succulents, because they grow fast, spread out, cover the cushion and roof, and need little water. Put the plant cushion for roof insulation on a grid of bamboo cane, or giant reed, so excess rainwater runs off. But in summer, the dry season, put them on a star grid, so the heat of the day is released at night. To make plant cushions for roof insulation, you need shading, weed mat, bark, compost, tie wraps, bamboo or giant reed. 4 clothespins and scissors to tie the corners together. Plant cushions for roof insulation are easily moved about but won't blow away. They give you a comfortable home, save energy and boost biodiversity. So go on, try them.